Welcome back, kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. I'm outside. I just wanted to show you guys something real quick. Coasters I did. So I just wanted to show you. I designed this on Canva and I printed it on sticker paper. I laminated it and then I added it to the wood plank tiles from Dollar Tree. I had to think for a second. Dollar Tree. So I just wanted to show you guys. So this is a quick and easy project. If you want a step-by-step tutorial, let me know. You'll see that this is unfinished wood. These are just the Crafter Square wood planks. Oh, I dropped mine. Crafter Square wood planks. So if you, as you can see, I dropped it, held up fine because it's wood. But yeah, Crafter Square. This is just the wood planks. They come 6 in a pack. And again, I just ran this through, designed it on Canva. This is a 4.5 by 4.5 inch square. I would tell you go a little bit larger because even though I measured it, it kind of ran a little bit larger. So you can measure it out for yourself to get the exact measurement. So I did a black square in the back, a white square on top with the image, and I added the wording. Mine, I just left it blank because, or plain wood, because I was just trying something out to see if it worked. This is waterproof on top. I would not try to run it through a dishwasher or anything like that because this is exposed wood. You can paint your wood. A fly wanted to fly on me, or a ladybug or something. You can paint your wood. You probably could Mod Podge it, but you would leave streaks if you did. You could spray paint it, you could lacquer it, you could do all those things. But if I were to do those things and I was planning to laminate, I would probably paint, lacquer, and do all those things, then put my laminated image on top. Trying to think what else I have to say. That's probably it. But if you guys have any questions, let me know. If you guys want a full tutorial, let me know. Have a good day.